Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Cottesville home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Cottesville home decor, often called cottagecore decor, is a cozy, warm and nature-inspired decorating style that makes your home feel simple, peaceful and slightly old-fashioned, like a charming countryside cottage. It is a decor style inspired by rural life and small cottages, focusing on comfort, nature, and vintage charm. Key features of Cottesville decor: cozy and comfortable atmosphere with soft cushions, layered blankets, and warm lighting. Spaces feel relaxed, not perfect or modern. Designed to feel like a safe, peaceful home. Uses nature-inspired elements like fresh flowers, dried flowers, and indoor plants, botanical prints, leaves, and garden vibes. Brings the outdoor inside. Rustic and vintage touch. Use wooden furniture, often aged or handmade. Use antique or second-hand decor pieces. Handmade crafts like crochet, embroidery, or quilts. Use soft and earthy colors like cream, white, beige, soft green, and dusty pink. Warm and calming tones instead of bold colors, inspired by nature and countryside. Simple and solo living feel. Focus on comfort, not luxury. Decor reflects office, like baking, gardening, or crafting, celebrating the solar, peaceful lifestyle. Overall feeling: Cottesville decor is all about warmth, simplicity, nostalgia, old-time charm, a peaceful, happy home. Imagine a small cozy room, soft sunlight, floral curtains, a cup of tea on a wooden table, and fresh flower nearby. That is the Cottesville. Cottesville decor is not just a style, it is a lifestyle and mood. It creates a home that feels calm, personal, and full of gentle beauty, inspired by nature and simple living. The feeling it creates: cottage decor is all about emotions, like calm and peaceful, warm and welcoming, soft and nostalgic, like old memories. It is not about perfection, it is about comfort and charm. Furniture style and arrangement: to simple wooden furniture, like light or slightly edged wood, mix old and new pieces. Don't match everything. Use smaller, cozy furniture instead of large modern pieces. Arrange furniture to feel inviting and relaxed, not formal. Tip: a slightly imperfect, lived-in look is part of the beauty. Fabrics and textiles: very important. Textiles give the strongest cottage feel. Use floral or check patterns. Use linen, cotton, crochet, or lace. Layered cushions, throws, and curtains. Think soft, touchable, and cozy fabric everywhere. Natural and handmade decor: use fresh flower indoor surfaces. Use wicker baskets and wooden trays. Handmade items like crochet, embroidery, or pottery. This adds the personal touch and heart-made feeling to your home. Daily life aesthetic: cottage decor connects with daily activities. Display teacups, jars, cookbooks. Keep things like shade baskets or fruit bowls visible. Make your home look lived in and loved. Your home should tell a story of your life. Lighting style: soft, warm lighting, not too bright. Use table lamps, fairy lights, and candles. Let natural sunlight in through light curtains. Lighting should feel gentle and dreamy. Imperfection is beauty. Slightly chipped paint is old and handmade items. Nothing everything needs to be new or perfect. Owned and loved is better than brand new. Different types of cottage style. You can mix styles depending on your taste. English cottage is floral, elegant, and vintage. Farmhouse cottage uses rustic, simple, and neutral. Cottagecore, dreamy, nature heavy, and soft colors. Vintage cottage, antique collected over time. Cottage Decor is about creating a home that feels peaceful, cozy, and personal. It is less about trends and more about how your home makes you feel every day. The collected over time look. Cottage homes never look newly decorated. They feel slowly built over years, mix different styles, vintage plus handmade plus simple modern. Use items with meaning, like old jars, gifts, and handmade crafts. Avoid buying everything at once. The goal: your home should look like a story, not a showroom. Layering is the secret. Cottage decor looks cozy because of layering. Layer fabrics, use curtains plus cushions plus straws. Layer decor, use books plus plants plus small objects. Layer textures, use wood plus fabric plus ceramic plus wicker. This creates depth and warmth without needing expensive items. Connection to nature, very important. Nature is at the heart of cottage style. Keep fresh flowers in different corners. Use natural materials like wood, jute, or bamboo. Open windows for sunlight and air. Even a small plant can instantly create a cottage vibe. Small spaces feel better. Cottage decor works best when spaces feel slightly compact, cozy, not empty, filled but not cluttered. Instead of big empty areas, create small cozy corners like reading corner, tea corner, or window sitting area. Soft color harmony instead of strong contrast. Cottage decor uses gentle blending. Mix soft colors together. Cream plus green plus pink. Add small pops of deeper color, like red or brown. Keep overall look calm and balanced. Colors should feel like a garden, not a bold painting. Vintage details that matter. Small details make a big difference. Use old style clocks, frames, and mirrors. Floral plates or teacups on display. Use antique style handles or knobs. These little touches bring character and charm. Functional beauty in cottage decor. Everyday items are also decoration. Hanging cups, pans, or utensils. Open shelves with chairs and dishes. Baskets used for storage and style. Nothing is hidden, everything is part of the beauty. Personal touch is everything. This style is very personal. Add your crochet work. Display your favorite colors like your red, green, or brown. Use items that make you feel happy. Cottage decor should feel like you, not just a trend. Cottage decor is about living slowly, loving simple things, creating comfort over perfection. It is not about having a perfect house. It is about having a home that feels warm every single day. Now let's go even deeper into the heart and lifestyle of cottage decor. This is what really makes it special and different from other styles. It changes with seasons. Cottage decor is not fixed, it evolves with nature. Spring uses fresh flowers, light fabrics, and pastel colors. For summer, use airy contains more greenery and brighter light. For autumn, use warm tones, dried flowers, and cozy blankets. For winter, use thick fabrics, candles, soft warm lighting. This keeps your home feeling fresh and alive all year. Inspired by simple daily life, cottage style is deeply connected to simple activities like baking, cooking, or making tea. Gardening or caring for plants, crafting like crochet, sewing, or DIY. Your home becomes a place where daily life feels beautiful, not just. Solo and peaceful living concept. This decor style supports the calm lifestyle. Less focus on trends and buying, more focus on enjoying what you already have. Creating a peaceful routine at home. It is about feeling relaxed and happy in your space. Imperfect but beautiful spaces. Unlike modern styles, cottage decor loves imperfection. Slightly mismatched furniture, handcrafted or owned items, natural egging like oud or fabrics. These imperfections make your home feel real and firm. Light, air, and openness. Use light curtains to let sunlight in. Keep windows open when possible. Avoid TV, shirt coverings. Natural light is a big part of the cozy cottage feeling. Organized but not strict. Cottage homes are neat but not overly tidy. Organized in a relaxed way. Lived in, not showroom perfect. A little softness and casual mess adds charm. Emotional connection to your home. This is the most important part. Your home should feel safe and comforting. Every corner should bring a little joy. Decor should reflect your memories and personality. Cottage decor is about how your home feels, not just it looks. Cottageville home decor is a mix of nature, comfort, memories, and simple happiness. It turns your home into a place where you can relax, create, and feel peaceful every day. Advanced understanding of Cottageville home decor. The design philosophy, how it really works. Cottage decor follows a simple idea: comfort plus nature plus personal story. First, comfort, soft, cozy, and inviting. Next, nature. Use plants, wood, and natural light. Personal story, meaningful items, and handmade pieces. If a space has these three things, it will naturally feel like a cottage home. Balance between cozy and clutter. An important secret is balance. Add layers, textures, small decor. Avoid too many random items that feel messy. Rule: full but breathable. You should see many things, but still feel calm, not crowded. Texture mixing, very powerful tricks. Cottage style looks rich because of texture contrast. Soft cushions, curtains, and rugs. Hard old ceramic and metal. Natural jute, wicker, and cotton. When you mix textures, even a simple room feels warm and interesting. Creating moments in your home. Cottage homes are not decorated as own big space. They are made of small beautiful moments. A tea tray with flowers, a chair with a folded blanket, a shelf with books and a plant. Each small corner should feel like a mini cozy set. Open storage as decor instead of hiding everything. Use open shelves, for plates, jars, and cups. Display everyday items nicely. Use baskets for soft storage. This makes your home feel lived in and warm. Day has night atmosphere. Cottage decor changes beautifully throughout the day. Day, fresh, airy, and natural light. Night, warm, soft, and cozy glow. Use lamps and candles at night to create a magical cottage cozy feeling. Emotional styling, the secret ingredient. The biggest difference in cottage decor is emotion. Ask yourself, does this corner feel peaceful? Does it make me smile? Does it feel warm and welcoming? If yes, then your decor is perfect, even if it is not trendy. Cottageville decor is not about expensive furniture, perfect matching, modern trends. It is about warmth, simplicity, and personal happiness. It turns your home into a comfort space, not just a beautiful space. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.